This video will go over a more detailed look at the information you can find from the forecast page for a specific point across our area. Again, first you'll want to start on the homepage of our website at weather.gov/Sioux Falls. And it'll bring you to a page that looks similar to this. There's a couple different ways that you can gain access to the forecast page for a specific location. One is to type the location in the box in the upper left-hand corner here. The other is to click directly on the map of that location. So for this example, we'll say that we are looking for the forecast for Spencer, Iowa. We would simply click Spencer, Iowa on the map, and it's going to bring you to a page with the forecast and current conditions for Spencer, Iowa. First and foremost, if we start at the top of the page here, if there are any weather alerts in effect for that area, they'll be listed in the red banner here at the top. The next section of this page is going to be the current conditions at the nearest observation point to the location that you clicked on. So in this case, it's at the Spencer Municipal Airport, and that's going to list the current conditions within the last hour. And then as we move down is a more detailed look at the forecast over the next several days with both a graphical depiction of that forecast as well as a text description of the forecast. If you are interested in an hourly forecast, you can do that in a couple of different ways. One is by clicking the hourly weather forecast blue link at the top right of the page. The other is by clicking the hourly weather forecast icon at the bottom right of the page. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you to a page that looks similar to this. That's going to have all of the different forecast parameters over the next few days. And you can click these parameters off. So let's say you are not interested in dew point or wind chill, you're only interested in temperature. You would click those off and hit submit again. That's going to replot that box. So now you only have the temperature plotted, and there's the hourly temperature over the next 2 days. You can also move forward in the days by clicking the forward 2 days button there as well. This is also where you can find rainfall amounts within the basically 6-hour time frames of different time periods, and those are listed there. You can also find the risk of thunderstorms over a time frame depicted by the red boxes, and if snow, freezing rain, or sleet were in the forecast, those would also be listed at the bottom of the page here as well.